34 common estate planning traps and how to avoid them. Today, we are up to number 16. So number 16 is, let's see if I can read it out over here. Dispersing funds from trusts to immature young adult beneficiaries. So what we will see is that a person will leave, parents might leave money, part of their legacy, to their adult children. In the event the adult children pass away prior to the parents, it could go to grandchildren. Or grandparents can leave outright to grandchildren, right? Just someone younger that's under the age of 18. In New York, the age of majority is 18. But we wouldn't want your trust or estate plan to end when, upon your death, with the person being a minor. Right? Who wants a 16-year-old or a 12-year-old or any age under 18 receiving money? It's not really a good plan. Now, the trust does not have to end. It can continue until some future point. So you could say, I'd like my grandchildren to receive this dollar amount when they turn 25 or when they hit age 35, or doesn't even have to end in a 5, right? It could be, I think I've told this story before. Last month, or maybe 2 months ago, I had a client that wanted me to put the age of 32. I don't know why 32, that's a number that the client came up with. But their youngest child will not receive, in the event they pass away, will not receive any money until the child reaches the age of 32. Now, there could be a reason for that. I mean, their child is very young, but some people don't want their child to inherit money, and maybe it would, impede their ambition. Maybe it would cause them at 18 or a young age to receive a bulk of money, and they might be too immature. I went over this type of scenario today with clients. They have 3 children. Only one of their children has children. So they're grandparents of young children, like a year and 4 years old, right? So that's what the grandchildren are. So this particular couple wants me to give, disperse their assets, 30% to each child, 30, 30, 30, 90, and leave 10% to all of the grandchildren. Right now, they only have 2. They anticipate more. So if they have 4 grandchildren, they would split the 10%, right? What is that, 2.5%? I want to do my math correctly. If they had 10 grandchildren, they'd only get 1% each. But that's fine. That's what they'd like. But really, you would like to set some either event upon the graduation of high school, give this sum of money, the graduation from college, this sum of money. If they should attain a master's degree, give that sum of money, right? Incentives, or to mark memorable events. Should any of my grandchildren get married, I'd like to give the sum of X dollars as a gift, right? So we can use it as an incentive. Could use it to memorialize events, anything that you would like to do. If you would like to speak more about this with me, please go to frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you.